This is a box. What's in the box is a SaaS Gold Award. Believe it or not, I didn't plan to wear this shirt. Everything is happening. What's in here is a representation of hard work. I'm not the world's hardest worker, but my God, was this work to set up my SaaS. I have 2 Gold Awards. My second one was all easier. First one, I put blood, sweat, and tears into this. Literally tears. I was like, oh my God, this is hard. But now that we figured it out, you guys want to see what it looks like? I talk about some of the things we did to get this thing. Let's do this. The worst cut you'll ever see, but that's okay. Judgment-free zone. Watch this. It's like I'm filleting a salmon. We got lots of paper, which is good for protection. Okay, I'm gonna be a great dad and keep this for my kids. And do they go cheap on the bubbles? There you go. There you go. My kids could have fun with that. Wow, look at this. Whoa, look at this. Oh, this is sexy. Whoa. Oh, my God, I just came from the gym and I was lifting a decent amount of weight. The Gold Award and a gold box. This is the sexiest box I've ever seen in my life. Important moment in my life. This is beautiful. Are you ready? Whoa, Nelly. Holy smokes. Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. My good God. Congratulations. Hope you enjoy this well-deserved award. Thank you. Make sure to give this shout out on social media by taking a selfie. We are. Can't wait to see your pic. I can't wait to show it to you. This is a nice touch. It does get smudgy. You see that? Yeah, you see that smudge or what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna come in handy. I've been blessed to have a good amount of awards, and my good God, is this an absolutely stunning award. Are you able to take a picture while filming? I'll do a selfie for now. Hold on, let me show my HighLevel shirt. Can't see the HighLevel shirt, that's okay. Let's take a moment. I find it hard to celebrate, to be honest. It's just on to the next award. We did it. Let me try to appreciate and celebrate the success and stuff. What I always do throughout my career is next award. I've been told you need to celebrate your success more. How do I do this? If you're in business, this is like a bare minimum. We need to go higher. You guys are doing fantastic. I'm going to tell you my story. High ticket guy. Should I put this down? I'll tell you my story. High ticket guy, just like on the internet world. The best model traffic to LVSL video, which I'm very good at, that leads to a phone call. This has been my primary model throughout years and years. Frankly, it's the best model in my opinion since day one of internet marketing. Like everyone else, I got a little burnt out and I'm like, I don't want to do this anymore. And my good friend, who's a great guy, I've reached an age where I remember talking to this startup guy. I wanted to start this company over 10 years ago. I was so nervous. I was just, oh yeah, I really hope he likes me. Okay, I really hope he likes me. Now it's we're all peers. Do you know what I mean? It's Robin, John, they're tremendous people. Kelsey, the whole team is fantastic. Their CMO is a great guy. They're all great. Robin, he's local here in Dallas. He came to my office and I told him, man, I'm burning out. I think I'm gonna retire. I'll start juggling. Maybe I'll start doing magic tricks. I don't know. I want to do something outside of high ticket. You spent years developing all these systems. They've worked. I've helped my clients make over $100, $200 million. I can help with the mindset, the offer, funnels, the traffic. You do best, outsource the rest. Put all of that in a SaaS and let it get monthly recurring revenue. You deserve it. You have this expertise. You put in the time. Make a SaaS out of it. And I said, yeah, you know what? That makes sense. My first exposure to GoHighLevel was with my buddy Shaq, my original mentor. In Dallas at the GoHighLevel van, all the way in the back. And I said, what the hell? Where the hell has this been my whole life? This SaaS, software as a service, it basically means that, look, you need a funnel builder, CRM, AI, calendars, blah, blah, blah. Like all this stuff you run a business, that's GoHighLevel. And you can resell it. I serve high-ticket people, coaches, consultants, agencies, experts. They all need a website, calendar, CRM. I call my thing Give Tech. You can have an account, run your whole business. That's gonna come with my coaching, with me and my dream team. You're gonna get to work with me every week to help launch or scale wherever you're at. I sat in the back of that room at the GoHighLevel event. I'm like, damn, this is brilliant. Next year, I'm gonna be on that stage getting this award and speaking. I gave myself a challenge. Like, you know what? I spoke on stage the next year and I got this award. This has been sitting in my garage for a minute. I got another one over there. We never got around to doing an unboxing video. It's really heavy. I got 3 kids, so I was nervous. I don't know where to put this thing. It's really high quality. Anyway, my sister was sick and she had cancer, and the doctor said she needs a miracle. And I'm a crazy entrepreneur. So I was like, okay, no problem. A lot of people are like, oh my God. I was like, okay, cool. Let me go find the cure to cancer, right? Can I tell you something? I legitimately believe that I would. That's how you succeed. You have to genuinely believe that you can do it. There's billions of dollars in cancer-funded research. Some of the top doctor minds in the world that have been researching this for decades. Nobody's gotten the cure. I'm like, me, this crazy internet marketer, gee golly gosh, like barely educated. And I was just like, gee golly gosh, I'll find the cure, no problem. I believed it. That belief caused success for me and my clients. I started traveling with my sister. My main focus was not my business anymore. It was my sister. The reoccurring revenue paid my bills while I was able to travel the world with my sister. And really, I was like looking for the cure for cancer. This is something I'll never forget. There's several software companies I love, and I'll be completely honest with you, there's several companies that have big special, but ClickFunnels always gonna have a place in my heart. I love them because they help me make millions, build water wells, and sponsor orphans. That's always gonna have a place in my heart. HighLevel is gonna have a big place too because of what it allowed me to do for my sister. In the high ticket world, like you have to kill to eat. You have to keep selling sound. But with this is reoccurring revenue, and I was able to focus on my sister. I love different software companies, different people. I love these HighLevel guys. I love the ClickFunnels guys. I love the SaaS model. It is fantastic. Total transparency was a nightmare setting it up. I'm sorry, I might upset people. It's not turnkey. But I will say this, once we figured it out, we really it was do that. So in Christianity, there's a priest. In Judaism, the rabbi. In Islam, the imam. I went to my imams, what is going on? I'm having such difficulty in business. What is going on? I never experienced this. Building this. It was hard. SaaS is a different game. Contracts, reoccurring revenue, SMS charges, low ticket stuff, a different vibe, avatar, technology, automations, support. I did 1 million push-ups. It was hard, but I got that 6-pack. Now it's easy. The second time I got a gold award for my second SaaS company, it was easy breezy. So you do have to go through a bit. That's okay. On everything you need to get your 100 clients. Get that link, sign up for my HighLevel account. That's how this world works. Honestly, it's a deal. The pain I went through to get this thing, I don't want anyone to go through that. This isn't some marketing talk. This is me straight up as a human being, trying to get you to avoid going through what I went through. So I have a course that shows everything you get your first 100 clients, your offer, funnel, traffic, sales, what you do best. I focus on organic because I never figured out paid. I've done it well organically, but I love SaaS. I will tell you, I do love SaaS. I've done a lot of different business models. I've done affiliate stuff, mastermind stuff, live events, high ticket, low ticket, mid ticket. I've sold knives door to door. I sold Cutco knives door to door. I like SaaS a lot. Every day I'm getting Stripe notifications, traveling all over. True happiness doesn't come from money. It comes from serving people. This is a great way to serve. Look at all these smudge marks I've done. Appreciate this. Look at that. Hold on. I love it. Amazing. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. If you haven't noticed, I have severe ADHD. So you can get this if you have severe ADHD like me, as you can clearly see. Well, do you remember what I was saying? True happiness comes from serving people. SaaS is beautiful because you're giving value. I have different packages, whether it's $500 or $5,000 a month. Let's take $500,000 a month. I used to spend that much a month just on software, just on all these different softwares. Now, GoHighLevel, the reselling of it, it's all in one. And you're gonna get coached by me and my team for free. If I'm charging around $500, something like that, or $1,000, and you're getting to work with me and my team daily. It's a beautiful exchange of value. They're getting a hell of a lot of value. That's what creates happiness, serving people at a high level, giving them more than what they're paying. I got my first 100 clients organically, get the course for free to get all the details. I'm very honored to be a part of this, and I'm very happy, and I just want to go up and up and help more people. This is a real honor. I'm happy that you got to witness this. Get one of these. It's great to have. Make more so you can give more to your families, communities, make the world a better place. Don't get hung up in all the tech stuff. Just get, my good God, get a tech person. We have a tech team. People who work with us, they have access to 24/7. What drives me crazy is when everyone's trying to figure out tech. You're an entrepreneur. I'll leave you on this note. An entrepreneur is not a tech person. An entrepreneur is someone who has a vision. I have a vision. I want a SaaS company. I'll build. They put pieces in place to make that happen. I use this guy for tech, this guy for mentoring. This is an entrepreneur term. We have a vision, a why. Stop waiting, stop delaying, stop fiddling with tech. Your offer is probably not that good. You need a mentor. Get the right offer you believe in. A lot of people wonder what's trendy. You have a strong why. Get a good mentor. Smash it. People are killing it. Idiots are making millions. I even take my own family to some conferences. Some of my family members were not doing so well. I take them. So you see this idiot over here? This guy's making $80,000 a month. Can't even walk and talk at the same time. Now is the time. Is the internet. It's a beautiful time to crush it. You just have to believe it. Refuse to give up. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone who's watching. Thank you for the trophy maker. Appreciate you. Get that free course in the description below. I hope to meet you. And you tell me, hey man, I saw your video, inspired me to get one. You seem like a nut job. And I said, if this crazy guy can get one, I'm sure I can. Lots of love. Peace.